What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at the HEX Ranger Mini Sling. Now, I use this on pretty much an everyday basis, and the reason I picked it up is because I wanted to minimize my whole camera setup. So let's go ahead and take a look. So to go ahead and start things off, I wanted to show you what the sling bag looks like on. So here it is on my back. You can kind of see what it looks like. And one thing that's really nice about this is that you can go ahead and, I see something, I want to grab my GoPro or my camera. I can easily go like this and then access, my camera and grab things really quickly, and then just, of course, just go like that, which is really nice. You, of course, can wear it this way as well. So, a lot of people do like to wear sling bags on the front here, so you can wear it like this very easily. And then, of course, if I wanted to take the entire sling bag off, I can, of course, just pull it over my head, or I can easily use the clip right here and then just go ahead and take it off. As we take a closer look at the bag here, I have the Glacier Camo version, which I think looks absolutely awesome. And I really like that you do get different camo options with this bag, but there are normal colors as well if you're not into the camo. Now, the bag itself is going to be water resistant, and then all of the zippers are YKK zippers, which are some of the best in the game. They're very heavy duty. They don't break or fray or anything like that. Now, as far as size, this is going to be a 2.5 liter bag. And of course, I'm going to show you everything that, of course, I get inside the bag. Now, on the outside, you do have these loops right here on the bottom, which you can easily put something like a travel tripod. And then you do get this loop here on this side, which you can use to pick up the bag, or you can loop this around something if you wanted to. Now, starting on the front here, we have a small compartment, which is really made for a phone. So I have my iPhone 12 Pro in there, and you can see my phone easily comes out. And this compartment specifically has this really nice soft touch fabric, so it's really going to go ahead and protect your phone. The next compartment is more or less like an accessories compartment. So you can see I open that up. I have a lightning cable in there. I do have my keys, and this comes with a key fob. So we can easily, detach our keys, and then, I get out of the car, I put my keys on here. So if I do open this up, my keys aren't going to accidentally fall out, which is definitely nice there. And then we have a total of 5 compartments in here, 3 mesh compartments, as well as 2 larger compartments. And I have pretty much all of my batteries in here. So I have batteries for my Sony ZV-1 as well as GoPro batteries. And then I do have some cleaning cloths here for my lenses. So again, you have all of that. And again, this can easily be used for batteries. You can put SD cards in here pretty easily. Now, the main compartment, which of course is the largest compartment here on the bag, go ahead and open that up. And as you can see, first thing I have sitting here is my sunglasses, because this is my everyday carry. There is a little compartment up here on the top. So this one little mesh compartment, I just have some like extra accessories for my GoPro and things like that you can go ahead and stick there. But you can put SD cards, batteries up there as well. Now, as you can see, I sort of have this set up just in a dual compartment setup. So there is a divider right here that does come with the bag. So on this side, I have my Sony ZV-1. I have a little battery pack for charging things. And then I have, of course, my GoPro. And then on the other side, I have my selfie stick for the GoPro. I have a little mini tripod for the Sony ZV-1. And then I have the cell phone adapter for the little selfie stick. And that is the main compartment in here. So again, it just has this main divider, which you can see right there. But it does come with this set of dividers as well. And these are all Velcro. You can detach them and set them up however you want, which is really nice because, again, I'm not using them, so I can just completely take them out of the bag. But this main compartment can easily fit something like a mirrorless camera and a single lens. You can easily do something like a DJI mini drone in the controller. And as you can see, me with my Sony ZV-1 and my GoPro, I can easily fit that in there. So this is a great bag. I use it every day, and it just really helped me sort of make my setup smaller. I had a backpack that I was using for my camera gear, and it was just too big. This is really awesome. It's small, and it looks really good with the camo finish. So if you are looking for a small sling bag for either your camera gear or just everyday carry, this is one that I would definitely recommend.